Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Today we are talking about secret courts in Nigeria. We are talking about courtism in Nigeria. We are talking about people killing people, innocent souls that are dying. Who are those who laid the foundation of courtism in Nigeria? It's those who were in the university. Dakuku Peter Aside was a courtist in Rivers State University. Dakuku Peter Aside was stripped naked in Rivers State University. I have never been a courtist from University of Port Harcourt to Rivers State University to law school. So how can a courtist come and tell me what is good when you would want initiated giving people, innocent children, blood to drink for initiation? You are telling somebody who comes from a good background, from a Christian home, who knows where he comes from, he can trace his parents, he can trace his father and his mother. Somebody who does not know where to trace whether my mother comes from right or comes from left. That is the level we are into our society. Those who lay foundation, look at where the society is today. We are talking about bandits. Who are bandits? Who are the bandits? These are people you send to university. They were still naked. Naked. You send their child to go and read. The embarrassment their child will bring is to say that Luko is a courtist and they stripped him naked. And that's the man who is coming to talk to Rivers people. I went to the University of Port Harcourt. I'm proud of it. I went to Rivers State University. I'm proud of it. I went to Nigerian Law School, Lagos. I'm proud of it. Let anybody come out to say. Let anybody come out to say. And who released him? Who are those who saved him? Was his master. And we must be careful. There are those who don't have background. You can go and pay newspapers money to take a column and write. Anything you write is a business. How many people will read it? But here, I'm telling the whole Nigerians, don't read. Those who lay the foundation of our children being killed in university. Don't. They have nothing to offer. I was never a commissioner of works. I never awarded any contract. But there are those. Look at the road. They are living in Forces Avenue. The roads have been done. Tomorrow, CJ will commission, even where their master is living, in Biama to Abana. We are commissioning tomorrow. They are commissioning tomorrow. With street light. Somebody said, oh, we do not award the ring road to Abonima. Okay, I agree. It's now ring road. You, which one will you award? Which one did you do? You know, some of you can be deceived. Don't allow these people who don't know where they come from. I come from somewhere. I know where my mother's mother, my mother's mother, my mother's mother comes from. I know where my father's mother comes from. I can trace my history. You trace where you come from. Are you from Adia or are you from Kogi? Trace. Let us know where you come from. You can't see a proper, unrepentable Equatorial man and talk to me like that. Who the hell are you? I'm not one of those people who don't know where they come from. I know where I come from. I know my background. I'm a typical, unrepentable Equatorial man. I'm a typical Ihoroha man. And nobody can challenge me. Nobody can challenge me. So, ordinarily, I wouldn't have taken pains to talk all this thing, but you see, because you see the small boys, they come, they lie. Ordinarily, to get the appointment you can't get. You are in the government. What do you want me to do? I have defeated people in 2015. I have defeated in 2019. What do you want me to do again? Must I kill you? Must I kill you before you know I'm more than you? What do you want me to do? I'm not running governorship again, so I'm not running. I have defeated you severally. You went to court, I beat you mercilessly. What do you want me to do? How does somebody win you before you know he has won you? Is it when I kill you? I won't kill you because I'm not a killer. I never took blood oath in the university. I never. So I don't know how to kill. The only way I will kill you is to win you in the election because I know how to win you people.
How many them
So my dear brothers and sisters, if you are recording from Obunabana, be happy. This is your son. I'm happy. I have done well for my people. I have done well for my people. You go back and say what you have done for your own. So, tell them I'm not one of these cheap governors who will go and defend. For who? No, Rivers people, we are very proud people. We respect ourselves. If not, somebody when they say, come here, you go there. For what? Who is that person that will go to command me? Me, when you know that you are surviving based on what we have here, and they come and command me, can't command me. I will tell you how to go. The government knows it. I'm not one of those cheap people. So I thank all of you. The support you gave to Julius Berger. Ask them, Julius Berger left when they came to government. Now I have brought back Julius Berger. They should compare. If it's not Coca-Cola, it is not Coca-Cola. That's nothing can do about it. So, especially our special guest, you are here. The difference is clear. We are busy talking about commissioning and flag off. They are angry. Time to go and see weighing PDP governors, whom they say they are not, yeah, they are going to weigh them all. Those who are nothing, they are weighing them. People must have respect for themselves. There are things I cannot do. Even for the sake of my children, I won't do it. I will look back. I said this in yesterday. How am I doing this in now? In 2019, when the governor of Zamfara, Metawale, he said, I will never leave PDP. I will never disappoint PDP. If I disappoint PDP, I will never have peace in my life. Today, what has happened? Everything politics. It's not true. Everything cannot be politics. Here, credibility and integrity is important in life. I will never betray my people. I will not betray my people. I will not. So, people just, out of small thing, they shake you. If they shake them the way they have shaked me, you think it to be easy? People who have never seen war, they think they have seen war. They should ask for the government what they did to us. But God came down and stood for us. If the way they are afraid, every small thing you run, every small thing you run. People who cannot, instead of you to deliver dividends of democracy, you cannot. You take an excuse. Oh, I want to join the APC. APC that has failed Nigerians. APC have told Nigerians lies. APC have told Nigerians lies is what some people now cannot. Look at the governors. I didn't want to speak about that. I heard of one governor from South who left. A governor invited Mr. President to flag off a super highway of 350 kilometers. And not to name Mr. President, I have not asked the governor. My brother, that thing where I can't flag off since 2015-16, how far? What kind of country is this? What kind of country is this? Anybody who cannot perform, you run. Please protect me, cover me. I'm a member of APC. Meanwhile, that is a party fighting corruption. That's a party fighting inefficiency. And we're all deceived. No, not for me. Some people say, why are you the only governor talking? I said, I'm not the only governor talking. But I'm talking because I'm a governor of Rivers State. I'm not talking because I'm a governor under PDP. No. You cannot be a governor of Rivers State and you're not a strong person. You must be a strong person and a very firm person. You must. You must. It's not a governor that they will shake you just for that. For who? Who is that? Who is their mother? Who is their father? That will make a Rivers governor to bow. I will never bow. I won't bow. We must enjoy this road. Look at the street light. Look at the street light. Who doesn't like good thing? Is there anybody here that does not like good thing? Look at. You can pass here in the night. All those criminals come out here will catch you in the night. Because of the street light. They are saying, oh, somebody said insecurity because we put coffee. You know, when people are mumu, they are mumu. You know, this mumu, it can make you, if you don't even know what, mumulity is a mumulity. You understand me? Mumulity. You say we put coffee. Why would you put coffee? That's the problem in Abia. That's the problem in Imo State. And we say, to protect our state, Mba, don't come again. That's the coffee. People think that, and then criminals are pushing. Tell them that this coffee will die, you die. Die. I will not until the security people tells me it is time to call off the coffee. Because when these criminals are sending text messages, they will go to Wazobia. They begin to talk, hey, governor, we don't tire. We know the system, we know the game. We know those who are sending those text messages. You will not kidnap again. We know the system. So stop all those games. We know. They are sending text messages to Wazobia. Tell governor. The people are complaining. Who are the people complaining? Only criminals that can complain. I prefer to protect life and property. I prefer it. I don't want to hear every morning they've kidnapped somebody. These people, some of them are here too as you're watching them. They're here. They're here. They're watching. Tomorrow night they will send text to Wazobia, to one FM this and FM that. Say if you say that, the governor will be worried. Who told you I'm worried? Sometimes I put off the radio. I don't hear. The only way to solve this problem, be a deaf. I don't know. So all of you who are doing that, you are failed. It won't work. So, Speaker Guest of Honor, I thank you. You have seen what we are doing. We invite people every day, and I want to choke them up. They must watch channel. They must watch AIT. I told the AIT today, if you cut us because you want to do democracy today, I'll cut you forever. It must be live. They must watch us. It's a muscle. They must watch us. If you don't watch AIT, you must watch a channel. If you not go to CNN, we're there. I just said that, we're there. BBC, we're there. Even their own NTA, we're there. We're there. We're there. I must force them. They must watch us. They have no choice. They must watch us. So, my brothers, people should relax. Port Harcourt has come back to what it used to be. It has come back. I will even do the road. To any of them I know that don't have a road, I will do it to their house. I will help them. Since they refuse to help themselves, I will help them. And yesterday we were at the Mbutawa, was it not? We were at the Mbutawa yesterday, was it not? And I came to help Mbutawa. The man who was very close to the government for 8 years, close to the federal government, he refused to give his community road. I told you, brother, come and help me. Go and give them a road. Not only road, with street. Come on, how will I kill these people? They know now. I won't teach them lesson. This game, we will know them all. And I'll continue to teach them the game. So, special guests, I'm tired, I beg. No, I'm tired. I mean, I'll flog them, they don't want to hear. I will not kill them. Because they're waiting for me to go and kill them. I will not kill them. But this Koba I get, I would have flogged them badly.